What's up, everybody? I'm back out here raking some hay today. This is actually the stuff you saw me cutting in the last hay mowing video that I put out. I'm not going to be able to film a whole lot of it today, but I have a lot more to do tomorrow that you didn't see me cut. So stay tuned for that. That'll be tomorrow, which will be in the same video, but you won't see much from today. So I'll just blend it all together. So hope y'all enjoy. Stick around. Well, I don't think I'm gonna get any video of Dad baling today, but yeah, that's gonna be it for today, and I will catch you folks tomorrow when I'm over here on top of this hill. So I'll see y'all then. What's up, everybody? I'm back with you today. You can see I'm over here on the side of this hill where I showed you I was gonna go today, and that's what I'm doing. I've already got a good bit done, so I'm gonna hurry up and get the rest of this knocked out and catch you back in just a few minutes. Well, I'm done with that hillside up there. I'm looking down here in this lower area right now. There's some pretty decent grass down here in this lower ground. It was mainly Johnson grass with a little bit of foxtail, and there was some gamma grass down on the lower end of the field, so pretty good. The side of the hill up there was kind of thin, but it's not a big deal. We're just trying to cut it down where it looks nice and clean through the winter and get us a little bit more hay. Well, guys, I'm almost done with this field, and Dad's made it down here, so I'll get to make some videos of him baling as well. Catch you in just a few minutes. Well, guys, that's going to be it for me today. I'm done raking. I had a little bit to do right over there behind our corn, or where the corn was. I got that done, got everything raked, and I guess it's going to be it for me today. Fixing to head to the house, take a shower, get clean this hay dust off of me because it itches like crazy, and I will leave you with some clips of Dad baling. So I'll catch you folks later.